Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared egg Vada Pav recipe. This is my favorite out of all the recipes that I've done so far because I really enjoyed that egg in that Vada Pav. It's very simple to prepare. I've heated up a wok on medium flame and I've added oil. Once the oil has heated very well, then I've added finely chopped ginger, onion and chilies. I'll fry the ginger, onion and chilies till it turns transparent. Then I've added cumin powder, chili powder and garam masala and fried it for another minute. Here I've added boiled and grated potato. Once I've added the potato to the masala, I'll fry it for 2 minutes. We also need to add salt as per taste and we need to fry the potato for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you add coriander, just mix it once more and you reserve the potato in a bowl and allow it to cool down completely. This is the major prep work you have to do, and apart from that you have to prepare the chickpea batter. The chickpea batter I've already shown in my previous videos how to prepare it in detail, so I'll post those links in the description box below this video. I've also boiled and prepped the egg and reserved. So these are the prep you have to do ahead of time. Now I'm going to slice the egg into half. Once you have finished preparing the potatoes, make sure it is cooled down completely. After that only you have to prepare this dish. Now you have to take small portions of that potato and you have to cover the egg with the potato mixture. Once you cover the egg with the potato mixture, it has to be very thin cover. Don't make it very thick, otherwise your bonda will be too big and you can't fry it properly. The bigger bondas are prepared in the shops, but when you are doing it at home, you need to handle it with care. So it will be very difficult for you to prepare it at home. So make sure you apply a very thin layer of that potato on the egg and prepare a bonda. You see how I prepared this? It's very simple to just cover the egg with the potato mixture and roll it into a ball and reserve it. Now what I've done, I've already shown you a detailed recipe how to prepare this chickpea batter. I'm going to dip this in the chickpea batter and fry this in hot oil. So here my oil is also nicely hot. I've placed the oil on low flame, heated it well and then placed it on medium flame. Now once the oil has heated well, I'll add the bondas one at a time and fry it. So you can see the bonda is already very big, and to flip this and fry it requires time and patience. So that's why I said prepare medium size bondas, don't make it too large. And once you flip this and fry it for 2 minutes on each side, it's done. Whenever you're cooking egg or frying egg in hot oil, it will tend to burst, so you have to be very careful when you're cooking eggs in hot oil, and at the same time your egg should be cooked well. So here my bonda is done. I'm going to drain it from the excess oil and reserve it on a tissue paper. I'm going to prepare the second set of bondas in the same manner. So here you can see the bondas are medium size and it was easy for me to flip and fry it. So that's the reason I told you make it into medium size bondas. Don't make it too large. It is very difficult to flip and fry it, and the egg also will get busted and your bonda will disintegrate in the oil. So don't do that. Make sure you prepare medium size bondas. The detailed recipe is posted on my blog, friends. Blog link and other social media handles, my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter links will be in the description box below this video. Now you can see the bondas are ready. I've already shown in my previous video how to prepare garlic chutney and mint chutney. That's what I've applied here in the pav buns. Now I'm going to place the bondas in the pav buns and serve it as hot as possible. We really enjoyed this egg pavs. Hope you all enjoyed this video recipe. Do give me a thumbs up and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.